In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone an existing form from a URL using JotForm. Whether you're looking to replicate a form you admire or streamline your workflow by reusing your own designs, knowing how to clone forms can be a real time saver. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred browser and search for JotForm. It's important to ensure you're on the official JotForm website for a seamless experience. Once you've accessed the site, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. The process is straightforward, and once registered, you can log in without any hassle. Once you're logged in, navigate to your My Forms page. This is the central hub where you can manage all your forms, and it's where the magic begins. On this page, you'll notice a Create Form button, usually located on the left side. This is your gateway to building forms, both new and cloned. Click on Create Form, and a new window will pop up, presenting you with several options. Among these options, you'll see Import Form. Go ahead and select that, because our goal here is to duplicate an existing form. Next, you'll be presented with a choice to import from a web page. Since we want to clone via a URL, this is the perfect option. Choose from a web page, and you'll be prompted to paste the URL of the form you wish to clone. Make sure you have the exact URL ready, and paste it into the designated field. With the URL in place, it's time to initiate the cloning process by clicking the Create Form button. This step doesn't take long, but it sets the wheels in motion, allowing JotForm to access and clone the form precisely as it appears at the given URL. Once the cloning process finishes, you'll be taken to the Form Builder, where the cloned form will appear. This is your creative workspace, where you can customize the cloned form to meet your specific needs. Whether you want to tweak the design, update fields, or add new elements, the Form Builder offers a range of tools to help you tailor the form to your liking. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully cloned a form from a URL using JotForm. Cloning forms can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing you to reuse and customize designs effortlessly. So, next time you find a form you want to replicate, you'll be ready to do it in a few quick steps. Happy form